Did you know that the most dangerous question isn't the one they ask out loud? It's the one hiding underneath it. The Imperial envoy sat across from Ella with a calm smile and a long list of questions. Where did she enter? What did she see? How long did she survive? She answered carefully, honestly, even. But somewhere around the fourth question, something shifted. They weren't filling in gaps. They were checking what she knew, testing how much she remembered, figuring out what could be denied. And then it clicked. The Empire had built its entire power on one idea. Those lands were impassable, deadly, forbidden by nature itself. No one crossed them. No one came back. Except Ella did. She didn't conquer an army. She didn't lead a rebellion. She just survived. And somehow that was worse for them. Because her survival wasn't just personal. It was proof. Living, breathing, standing right in front of them, proof that the Empire's greatest war was never real. She walked in lost. She walked out a threat.